Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up with the 7 viewers and subscribers. You don't know the thing, man. The attacking boss, the NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Some people, you don't know, so the attacking boss, you know. And we used to help each other and we used to look out for each other people. And so when we see people are doing really good from them art, we have to really endorse them people. So, me I got share a video with you all, my viewers and subscribers. And it's a charitable video, you understand? And it is about this lady named S0NIA Patterson from S0NIA Patterson's Care, my viewers and subscribers. And why me really want to big up this lady before me even share this video, really big her people, because she do this thing a while now, you understand, fully endorse out of her pocket 100% people. And she's a person, she's an individual who work a 9 to 5 just like us, you understand people. And she comes a boom and she fund the thing. At times being people, you know what I mean, because you don't know NEWLINK push out some video and a thing and we say, oh, anybody want to link her and contribute, you can contact the number of the people. And more of people do reach out and link her, you understand? Yeah, maybe 10% or so. You get what I'm saying, people? But basically, she been funding this thing, people, on her own. And, you know, me have to look and say, yo, she's really a great and a good woman, you know, people. No joke about it, you know. You know, one of the saddest thing on why me really I gotta say this, people, I have been trying to push for everyone to just come so boom. You know, I'm not saying you to donate to our channel, but just to give it a subscribe. That's all I'm asking for. And I push this channel so much, and I beg the people hardly subscribe to the thing. That's all your support you give, you know, because you don't know, say, you come so boom and push this channel, them the 980 odd subscribers, and once you can make it reach to boom 1,000, you don't know how much you could do, and then further on the channel get monetized and something start gaining from it, and that money can come so boom and push the charitable thing more people. This charitable thing has spread the wings into Africa, into USA, and all around Jamaica. I have remember in last year, people, late last year, when this young man, them could have, he was in the parlor for so long, over a year, and no money for burying people, and Miss S0NIA Patterson Cares comes so boom and go donate too much money, people, and help this thing. So, yo, honestly, viewers and subscribers, all me ask now for do, check out the video, watch me, I tell her she go, I must say Kingston in another one of people, and I'm going to do some giveaway. Just check it out, please, and please me ask now, please subscribe. I'm going to leave a link in the description, my viewers and subscribers. Just click on that link and go over there and please subscribe to our thing. Okay, don't know, Miss S0NIA Patterson Cares people, she really do care, and this is naturally care. This isn't a fake care. This isn't a care where I fake up the thing, because enough of them say them care, them are fake, straight up. Peace out. Attacking boss said that. Remember.
Welcome people, welcome back. I know it's been a while since you have seen me. I am Georgina Clark and I'm here representing from Miss S0NIA Patterson Cares. You know, from your CS, it's giveaway time. So Miss S0NIA Patterson, she reigns from the parish of Portland, but she now resides overseas in Florida. You know, since the pandemic, she decided that she wants to give back to some people who are well in need. So she started this 14 parish food drive when she went to Portland, St. Thomas, Clarendon, St. Catherine, Mandeville, Montego Bay, and Westmoreland. But now we are in the city of Kingston. Yes, we're in the city of Kingston. And as you can see behind me, you see some gentlemen here jumping off in the water. You have this ship out here. This is where we know the ship normally comes. So we're going to start here. We're going to start with our giveaway downtown Kingston. And then we move up to Duane Park. So stay tuned.
Hello people, welcome again. S0NIA Patterson team is here in Coville Garden, Kingston, where we are going to meet Miss Arthur Anglin to give her some goodies.
Not the one with the that is not that one, there's any other one.
Take a punch.
Okay. Ayun na ba ba? Hello, Miss Anglin. This is Mr. Anglin.
Hi, Miss Arthur Anglin.
May we enter?
Yes, of course. Why not?
Can I get some of your sanitizer, please?
Yes.
Mr. Anglin, how are you?
Good at you.
Is that great?
Yeah.
Not great.
That's it.
Oh, this for me, sir. Oh, the Lord bless you. Bless it
Good day, sir. How are you today?
Bless it right here. Bless it right here. Please, please, please.
Alright.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we're here with some groceries
Thank you, Jesus.
from S0NIA Patterson.
Thank you,
She's
Father.
from Portland and she now resides in the States, Cape Coral, Florida.
Portland.
Right, because he's from Portland. But,
My children father is from Portland.
okay.
And his name is Williams.
Okay.
Come from Mount Pleasant.
Okay.
But him died and passed out.
Okay.
Not alive.
Alright.
Alright, so we have bread here for you.
Oh my God. Put it right here for me.
Yeah, we have here, we have oil,
Good God is giving it.
toothpaste, some Roscoe rice,
Let me see it.
we have buttermilk, some crackers here, and oil milk, salt, all of these things.
And here we carry a nice lovely bird for you as well.
Thank you.
And here we have your bleach, your soap powder.
The Lord bless you. And I put them down and get back to you.
So as we can see, this is our second stop.
Yes, people, so we're here, from the S0NIA Patterson. We are here in Coville Garden to visit Miss Arthur Anglin. It's our second stop. So, Miss
Yes, ma'am.
Anglin,
Yes, ma'am.
how are you doing? How things been going for you since the COVID?
Well, the Lord still keeping me alive.
Okay, that's wonderful.
That is the most important thing. And see her there? I'm a third sister. And
Well, that's Miss Mavis.
Yes, Miss
Hi, Miss Mavis. How are you doing?
I'm okay so far, so good.
Oh, wonderful.
Always we checking on us to see if we're all right.
Okay,
You
that's
know.
wonderful.
Yeah, man.
That's wonderful. I see Mr. Anglin here. He said that he's not feeling well.
No,
He's
not
not
yet.
great. What's been happening with him?
That's with me. Show them you pray. Don't be afraid. You have a lame foot.
He has a lame foot.
Yes, and one of the time in his accident, he cannot go to the clinic
Okay.
because he must go into the clinic and do any part, and then send him from there to go to the hospital to cut it off. And he tell him to no, him going home back with him 2 foot. So when he come up the hospital now, one nurse come here and dress it 2 times a week.
Okay.
We still have to pay her.
So it's healing? It's healing? It's healing? I see that you wrap it up.
Not healing.
Not healing?
Now she coming back to her to dress it.
Okay. You have a knee problem as well, because you're wearing a knee brace.
Yeah, man, pain.
Pain, arthritis, or it's just
Yeah, arthritis.
arthritis?
Yeah, man. And the pain crossing my waist, I can't hardly sleep.
You have the medication that they took for
Yeah,
it.
man, I have the medication.
Alright, so how you manage with medication though?
Well, let's sit down.
Have a seat.
buy me medication.
Okay.
I buy me medication. Yeah, and I'm not going to tell you any lie. Because God, I am a Christian.
Right.
And if I tell lie, God will vex with me.
Right.
I buy me medication.
Okay.
I have my little pension, not much. We are collect. We can buy me little medication and all that. This house don't belong to me.
Okay.
Not my house.
Right.
I pay rent.
Okay.
But it's me and my grandson. Him pay half. Him pay half when they get the little money. When they finish pay all those light bill, water. Sometimes you come here at night, the house in the dark, just to keep down the bill.
Okay.
My grandson, him just get a little work. Don't even get no pay yet, no nothing. That's how we live here. But it is very rough with me and my husband.
Alright, so if there's anyone out there who is watching this story and would like to assist Mr. and Mrs. Anglin in any form, you know, give a little donation towards their medication, towards grocery, help pay rent, light bill, you know, feel free to contact Miss Sonia Patterson at 754-367-3320. Miss Anglin, you know, Miss Patterson is overseas. You can look into the camera if you feel like and tell her thanks for the groceries she received.
Yes, I will thank you very much, Mrs. Patterson. The Lord bless and keep you.
Really happy. You know, she love to see that smile, you know, when the person said, "Child on your max and show a little teeth now." Alright, see it, yes. And she said that smile.
Yeah, man, I am so glad for all that is here and you people too.
Alright,
Yeah, man.
pull back your mask, I know COVID. And I feel on the darkest. Remember the exam here.
Yeah, man, and I will always remember you people in my pride.
Thank you very much.
Alright.
Bye-bye. Thank you very much for the welcome. Yeah, man. Thanks.
So people were here in Duane Park, Auburn Avenue.
And we're here to see Miss Melissa Kirby. Come on, guys.
Yeah.
Miss Kirby, how are you doing?
Okay.
All right, Miss Kirby, so we have some goodies here from you from Miss Sonia Patterson Cares. So Miss Sonia Patterson reigns from the parish of Portland, and she's in Florida right now, and she wants to give back to persons who are really in need. So you're just one of those lucky persons. So we have a nice, lovely chicken right here for you.
Thank you.
And a bottle of bleach and, you know, soap water and some bathing. So we don't do a corona, so you have to
Yeah, thank you.
sanitize and things.
Thank you.
And in the box right here,
We have egg, bread, and everything that you would need. Cornmeal,
some
salt,
flour, oil.
toothpaste, milk, mackerel, and I have some crackers there, and butter. You know?
Thank you.
Yeah man, so
You know, as I said, Miss Sonia is overseas, but she's watching the video. And she'd like to hear when the person that she gives back to say thank you to her and so because it put a smile on her face when she hears that. So if you want, you can, you know, just look into the camera.
Thank you, Miss Sonia Patterson.
I just want to say you're welcome. And
How you feel about something like this now?
I'm very grateful.
So how will this help you now?
This is a big man because I'm not working at this time. Because I met in an accident, I was hit by a car. And from I was hit by a car, I've not received any help.
I see where you're doing a little preparation here now. So I guess probably I would do a little additional like we're here to give us some of the fruit.
Yes.
you were mentioning something about your house.
Yes, I used to live in Anglin Garden. And somebody gave me a spot where I built a board house. And it was destroyed by Chichi there. All of our clothes, my children's clothes, all the furniture was destroyed by Chichi.
Okay. So this is where you're staying for the time being?
This is where I'm at for the past 2.5 years.
Okay. Alright, so it's a blessing. I hope these things can, you know, these groceries can be a start for you, you know, in this COVID. By the way, how you manage though? in terms of the COVID, how you get food and so forth?
I get, I'm doing the COVID, I get help from Ministry of Labor.
Ministry of Labor, okay, that's wonderful. Alright, miss. You know. Again, so persons, if you want to reach out to Miss Sonia Patterson, if you want to help some of these persons who are well in need, you can contact Miss Sonia Patterson at 754-367-3320, and you can go over to our Instagram page at SIF_bookings, SIF_entertainment bookings on Instagram. Please stay tuned.
Can go ahead.
Yes, my name is Melissa Kirby, and I would like to get some help to fix up the bathroom and the kitchen.
What kind of help? What you need?
Like bathroom things like a toilet bowl, a face basin, cement, block, tile.
So guess what, people? We are now at our final stop, Havendale.
And we are here to see Miss Kadian Harris. Let's go, people.
Oh, down there. See her down there, son.
Well done, well done.
Hey, Daddy, what's up?
Good day.
Hello.
So this is Miss Kadian Harrison. And this is her. How old is she?
6.
6-year. What's his name again?
Malachi, I'm right here, but we'll call him AJ.
Oh, AJ. Hi, AJ. Hi. So yes, Miss Harrison, we are from Sonia Patterson here. And we're here to do some groceries. So here we have a nice sexy chicken for you.
Sorry.
And they have some
quality. Quality,
here it is.
That's all now?
Two.
That's all. So thank you. Say thanks.
So we have some here and some soap powder and some baby soap. And here is this nice lovely box. Here, Joe, we have something for you. What's this? Sausage. Yeah.
We have pie here. I'll put that, you know what? We'll have some crackers.
Yeah.
Some tissue.
Rasta. Cornmeal, rice.
AJ, come see another one.
And you have flour here, mackerel. You have sardine, milk and butter. Everything that you would need to prepare your meal.
And so again, it's courtesy of Miss Sonia Patterson, Miss Clark, Mr. Witt. Here, you know, she just been going on giving some persons who are in need because of the whole COVID thing. And you're one of the lucky persons. So here's your toiletries.
Thanks very much.
You were telling me about AJ's situation. Yeah, what's your situation like?
It's very bad now, and I'm a single mother with a special need child.
Right.
I have 2 children. One of them is okay, and Malachi special need. And sometimes it's very hard.
Right.
So I was looking some assistance that I can take care of more because I'm not being up.
Okay. What exactly is happening to him? Like, what kind of...
Oh, yeah, Down syndrome.
Down syndrome.
Yeah, and you have 2 when I'm at him, did have 3. but him have 2 now and him not talk properly like any other 60-year-old that talk and can make sentence, so him don't know that, but him know everything else, but him just don't know for talk properly. Him that forgot speech therapy and so forth.
Okay. So what regarding to medical bills and hospital now?
I normally bring him, when him this small, I'm used to 60, I normally bring him children, but from what year, through the whole COVID thing, I know him is a special child, I go bring him out because I'm afraid, so all them appointment them, I miss them like art doctor, medicine doctor, and normal doctor come here to follow him up there, I miss all of them there, so you have to get back some date, but because I don't have no money, I don't get no chance to go up there and see it.
Okay. Alright, so just in case anyone is out there and watching, what exactly you need help with? Say something that you need help with. Regarding to him, you know.
So is it transportation to bring him medications and all of that?
I feel both. But him not really want no medication now because him not depend on medication. Yes, baby, my son pull it. Him not depend on medication now, but transportation, yeah, that is a must. And me also go get him in the early stimulation, and I can't get him in there because I don't have no money for go down there. And then when he do start go to school, I don't have no money for sending him. When he do start go to school, I don't have no money. I don't have no bus fare for go down early stimulation, because I down there too. He forgot speech therapy and all of them stuff there. So that too. And it's really hard because you know single mother, special need kids, and you know them kind of baby them sitting a while time and AJ. Let me go from right. Somebody nail up this for me, but over here so.
Oh, wow.
You see it? Wow. Yeah, right here so too. Right here so too. But I'm kind of nearly up the other day for me because all this did come out. All this did come out. You see like some board pieces. Yeah.
So basically you need some material.
I don't want some assistance to do a little business to myself because I don't want to beg people. So I want to assist to my local business that I can do it for myself.
Tell us some more about the house.
What type of material and stuff?
Yeah, it never was some board or a lot of board. The only thing good on this house is the zinc them good, but all of them board are right down, and the door, you see how the door is there, and let me close the door at the first one. See how one here? You see how it's there? Oh. Yeah.
That means you get mosquito bother you at night?
Yeah, only me have to like this way. I'm not for light on this way because it's too.
Right. So
I'm not for light on this way. Yeah. But all of them are up and down. The whole of them are up and down. And you see the stove. See?
Oh, this is just stove.
Yeah. And see? One of this now because the rest pop off. You understand? So I just have to work with it a stone. I put stone up there. Wait, AJ, I put stone up there. See? Feet can balance, so the back can balance. Yeah. Come AJ, move on the floor. Come. Yeah, come right. Thank you, Miss Sonia Patterson. Thank you very, very much for assisting me and Malachi. Thank you.
And I just want to say you're welcome on behalf of her. Alright, Miss Saracen, you take care.
Viewers and subscribers, we have now come to our final stop.
Yes, people, and next week Miss Sonia Patterson will be heading down to Nigeria. Yes, people, she's going back to Africa again. So stay tuned. And remember, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, guys.